So I'm in France for a ski holiday. Just found a driving experience all the way over there, and we can actually ski there. So obviously you have to try a French driving school in the snow. We're about an hour in and super lost. We just hiked up here. We've only got the GoPros, but well worth it. Lift number 4, that's what we're hauling out. Okay, 2 hours later. I think the track's right here. Right off the slopes. A little bit late, but okay, we've got to take the ski boots off, the things that we do for cars. What's Cole?
Cole, yeah. Okay.
Cole.
Me, it's Arthur.
Okay. Sasha, good to meet you, man.
Okay. It's your first time on the ice?
Oui.
Yes. Okay.
So the ice is the most technical.
Yes.
And your background?
GT3, F8 Tributo.
Regular race car. Yeah.
Voilà. The little change you have on your steering, it's a big change. You really need precision. It's called in French Circuit Glace. It's the manipulation of the steering wheel. You need to never let it free. Do 2 laps and explain a little, and after it's your turn for. Yes, I'm very sorry for my English. It's not good.
No, it's better than my French.
Okay, let's go. On the ice, you don't really need to have a big speed. Always smooth, never fight with the car. Always help your car. The car wants to slide. Just help him.
Brake.
Back, go in. Not much steering. Not much. You have too much, actually. You have too much.
When we're going into the turn, foot brake.
Big brake on the start, like a race car. You need to have 1% of brake. Because if you have too much brake, too much information for your front wheel brake. Okay, just lift and go in. Just back off. Now you have feel the car start to slide. It's perfect. Now you conserve the slide with your throttle. Okay, in. Yes, good. Yes, good. Charles Leclerc is come to drive here,
Okay.
and it takes some time to understand, and it's the ice. It's not easily, and it's very.
It's very frustrating. So Charles Leclerc had trouble, so I can have trouble. You've got to go really slow to go fast in these cars. And I got to tell you, it was really hard. But for a few $100, randomly on the ski trip that I had, like, what else can I ask for than something like this? Mais putain c'est chaud et c'est grave mes poches.